What's up, everybody? It's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. We are checking out a beautiful 1957 Bel Air Matador Red, original color. It's been painted probably, I'd say, about 10 years ago. Real nice paint job. A few little flaws here and there, which I'll go through with you. It's powered by a 283 4-barrel, 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Body lines are awesome. It's got a great stance, iconic. Chrome is in real good condition all the way throughout. All your lights are working the way they should. Horn is working, drives out beautiful. What a great driver. Has a heater, Edelbrock. Real nice and clean under here. All your belts and hoses are in good shape. Upgraded headers. Power brakes. Power steering. Nicely equipped. Very clean. Let's close this hood. There you go. Look at that face. All your chrome around the bezels are good. Your bullets are good on the front. Wipers are working. All your glass around the whole entire car is in real good shape. 57s have the vent windows. Front quarter's in good shape. The fender lines up good. Nice gaps. All your chrome around the window. Weather stripping is good. On driver's side, same with the gap from the rear fender quarter up and all the way down. Great shine on the paint. Couple tiny little touch-ups here, nothing major. All the chrome on your Bel Air wing is good. Step off it a little bit. See that deep color in there. All your chrome around there. Well preserved, done right, well taken care of. Got dual exhaust on there. Trunk's in good shape, spare tire all the way throughout. Seems to be original quarters. It's a great driver. Rear glass is good. Trunk lines up great. I don't see any flaws. A couple touch-ups you see throughout, but nothing of major. Rear passenger quarter fender is good. All your tires around the car, hubcaps, steel wheels are in great shape. Chrome again around the windows on the passenger side are good with the vent antenna installed. I think the only thing that's not working is the radio. Gaps out good there. I saw a tiny bit in here, a little bit, but nothing of major. It's like a little bit off, but nothing major. It's a good driver. Good paint there. Couple little touch-ups here. Roof's in good shape. Real nice. Saw another one. Where did I see it at? Oh, I see tiny little touch-ups. That's all. So these people enjoyed it and drove it and kept it to as original as they could. Beautiful car. Great stance. Let's check out the inside of that interior and cabin. Seatbelt's intact, diamond stitched, all the way in back. Headliner's good. Light works. Look at how nice it is. Diamond stitched. A couple little rips and tears, but that's what happens when you drive them and enjoy them. You know, this car's meant for cruising. Door panel good. All your moldings are good, weather stripping all the way throughout. Mileage reads 3199. That's 3,199 miles. Let me give it a little tap on the gas. I'm pushing this clutch just to be safe. Excuse me. Great sound. Dash is in great shape. Of course, matching the Matador Red the way it should. Sun visor's intact. Nice and clean underneath. All suspension's been gone through. I am going to be having about 130 photos and the underneath carriage online. Go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Check out the photos. This car runs out real well. Great, nice car. If you folks need financing and you're anywhere from a 640 and above, minimum down 10%, up to 84 months, go to the car, hit apply now. If you're 750 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Again, up to 84 months. Sometimes no money down. Approval's generally within 24 hours with that. Look at how nice this car shines. Now we ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed. So if you need quotes and have any questions on any of our cars in the inventory, on shipping or any car, you could text me or call me at 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Monday through Friday from 9 in the morning to 5 p.m. By appointment only. Saturday from 10 to 2. You could call me, I could set you up with that. 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me on this one. This is a nice one. You'll enjoy it. Thanks.